This operator manages 4,600 units across 48 communities. The CEO had one metric he cared about more than anything else: how many new leases were being signed each week. Nobody could give him a reliable answer. The VP of Corporate Strategy was manually searching email for countersigned lease alerts and counting them by hand. It took hours, and it only happened when someone specifically asked. They'd tried using AppFolio's application reports, but applications aren't leases, and renewals were getting counted alongside new move-ins, which made the number look higher than it actually was. We found the right data in AppFolio's Lease History report, which records the date each lease was countersigned. Then we filtered out renewals by comparing each tenant's move-in date against their current lease start date. If they were already a resident when the lease was written, it's a renewal. If not, it's a new lease. The CEO now sees his most important metric on a live dashboard every week alongside occupancy, collections, and NOI. No staff time required, no inbox searching, just the number. If your CEO is asking questions about reports that you can't answer, the problem isn't the question, it's the data.